Welcome to another episode of Tall Oaks Life.
Today we're making something fun for the whole family. I'm really excited about this one. I guess we should just reveal it.
It's a swing!
We're making a swing. Baby swing, toddler swing.
Everything swing. I may swing in it. Who knows?
Let's not.
So we're gonna go over how to make it, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna go over how to make it.
So here's everything we're gonna need to make our swing. We've got fabric, these 1.5 inch beads. We also have optional 1 inch beads for decoration and some razzle dazzle tassels.
We're also going to use 2 3/8 inch by 10 foot ropes. We're going to need 2 dowels at 1 1/8 inch by 48 inch. And then you need a rope clamp kit, 1/4 inch ring, a carabiner, and an eye bolt.
Alright, so I already have all of the pieces of fabric cut out. Make sure that you do have 2 pieces for both the front, back, and sides. Okay, so with the 3/8 inch seam allowance, I'm going to sew along the 3 sides for both the front and back. And then I just snip off the corners here because I'm going to turn them inside out. Making sure I get all the corners nice and clean in there. Now I need to tuck the front and back into the bottom / sides fabric directly in the middle. So this mat's helping me see exactly where the middle is on my side fabric, and then I'm just going to pin that all down and sew it together, leaving a nice gap to eventually turn this whole thing inside out as well. Okay, so I've already turned it all inside out, and now I'm trying to make sure that when I sew around all of the edges that the dowels will fit inside. And double checking here to measure. I see that each side has to be sewed down at 3 inches. Alright, so I'm just pinning down all 4 sides. I discovered that I didn't buy enough tassels, so if you are planning to decorate it with tassel, I suggest buying 1.5 yards rather than just 1 yard. And then when you're sewing it down, be sure to try to sew it around twice.
Alright, so here I took the rope and I looped it through the ring. I found center on the rope and then added some tape before I started, putting on the clamps. You're going to want to be careful here. I don't think you'll notice in the video, but I did get my finger once or twice with the hammer, so you're going to want to watch that. Alright, so basically here I just cut the 48 inch dowels down into 16 inch pieces. You'll see that I'm checking them with the other ones to make sure they're all roughly the same length. And then that's going to be used for the front, back, and sides of the swing. Alright, so here I'm just marking where I'm going to drill the holes. I put them 1 inch in and in line with each other. So I don't have a drill press. I had to use a regular drill to do this. I did mess up on one of them, but you just want to make sure you try to keep it as straight as possible.
Now it's time to put it together in to see if we did it right.
Yeah. All right.
So we'll start sticking these dowels into the holes. They fit.
Actually, perfect.
Awesome.
Awesome sauce.
Now we need to flip it.
Okay, flip it.
This isn't supposed to be on the inside.
There we go. All right. So this is where it sits, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
So,
So we got to get these beads onto the rope. May have to cut the ends. Oh, let's go for it. Let's go for it.
mine's burning one in bed.
Mine too. Yeah. There you go. You twist it, kind of goes out faster.
Yeah. I figured that out. Should I have said something to you?
Thanks for leaving me in the dark. Take it apart.
There's no way we would take it apart, but we'd have to definitely just buy a whole new rope.
Starting
Everything
over.
else.
Just buy everything over again. Start from scratch. You know what? Doing the tape method. 'Cause mine is really frayed.
Yeah, yours is fine.
That went easy. I was expecting this to be a lot more difficult.
I'm just wondering if, because I made up the measurements for this top part, so I don't know if it's going to fit 3 or 2. I tried to make the measurements for 3, but there's always a very good chance that I screwed it up.
So it's going through the top first, so we got to get this
Yes.
in. All right, let's take a look at it. Whoa! Check it out, everybody. I think we did a good job.
Yeah, definitely turned out probably better than we expected.
Yeah. We're gonna hang this up and get a little shot of Henry swinging in his new swing.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys outside.
Today we're making something fun for the whole family. I'm really excited about it. Can I do that again? Because I was totally looking at babies and they don't know anything about babies being around and I probably look like a crazy person.
I mean, there's not much you can do about it, but yeah. Go ahead.
Why don't you say welcome or something?
Welcome to another episode of Tall Oak's Life.
I think I just touched your butt. I don't know if it was on camera.
Hey, it's okay. This butt belongs to you, babe.
Just say.